Hello?
Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach again English literature, lesson number 9, The Four Princesses. The Four Princesses. There I am going to give you some extra question answers from inside the poem. You first read the poem and then you write the question answers in your notebooks. Thank you. Lesson number 9, The Four Princesses. Four princesses lived in a green tower, a bright green tower in the middle of the sea. And no one could think who the four princesses could be. One looked to the north, and one to the south, and one to the east, and one to the west. They were all so pretty, so very pretty, you could not tell which one was the prettiest. Their curls were golden. Curls means hair. Their curls were golden, their eyes were blue, and their voices were sweet as a silvery bell. And four white birds around them flew, but where they came from, who could tell? Oh, who could tell? But for no one knew, and not a word could you hear them say. But the sound of their singing, like church bells ringing, would sweetly float as they passed away. For under the sun and under the stars, they often sailed on the distant sea. There in their green tower and rower's bow, they lived again a mystery. Here we are talking about four princesses who were very beautiful, they were very pretty, and the tower on which they lived, it was in the middle of the sea. And all the four princes, one looked north, one looked south, one looked in the east, and other to the west. They were all so pretty and so pretty that no one could tell which is the prettiest. They had golden hairs, their eyes were blue, and their voices were as sweet as a silvery bell. And it was found that four white birds around them flew, and where they came from, no one could tell. वो birds कहाँ से आती थी किसी को नहीं मालूम. Who could tell? For no one knew, and not a word could you hear them say. But the sound of the singing, like church bells ringing, would sweetly float as they passed away. For under the sun they float, under the sun and under the stars. They often sailed on the distant sea. There in the green tower and rose's bower, they lived again a mystery. Nobody has seen them, from where they came and when they went away. People believe they lived there again, but it's a mystery. The poet of this poem, now this is not a poet, it is a poetess, Kate Greenaway. Pretty, attractive, silvery, made of silver. Around them flew, poetic way of seeing flew around them. Float, move slowly in the air. Baba, a pleasant place under the branches of a tree. Mystery, something difficult to explain and understand. Children, I am going to send you some extra question answers made from the poem. You kindly first read the poem and then you do the question answers along with the word meanings. Do you understand? Question answers and then word meanings in your English reader notebook. Thank you.